In this video, we are going to see the ratio and the proportion topic of the Aptitude series. At the very first, I have taken a basic question like if A is to B is 1 is to 2, like A is to B is 1 is to 2, and in second condition B is to C is 3 is to 4, like B is to C is 3 is to 4. Find A is to B is to C. So we need to find the ratio among these three. Like he given B in the first condition B is 2, in the second condition B is 3. So perform LCM of this 2 and 3, which is nothing but 6, 2 3 which is 6. So in order to make here to 6, so here we need to multiply with 3. So here we need to multiply with 3. In order to make here 6, here we need to multiply with 2. So the new ratios are is like 1 3 3, 3 into 1 which is 3, again 3 into 2 which is 6. In the second condition 2 into 3 which is 6, again 2 into 4 which is 8. So now in the both the conditions we made the B equals to equal ratio, like now B is equals to 6 and this is will be equal to like 3 is to, and other side it is 8. After F simplification we can see here like A is to B is to C is equals to 3 is to 6 is to 8. Nothing but we made the ratios to equal for the same one, and we made the all the ratios to equal like this. So which is in the option C. There might be a chance of getting some direct question based on the concept. I will show such questions. So this is the basic concept, just you need to keep in your mind. This is a basic terminology of the ratios. Like sometimes there may be a chance of getting direct question from this concept only. Like if the ratio is like A is to B, then A is to B is nothing but A by B, just it is a division of A to the B, nothing but A is to B. So duplicate ratio is nothing but the square of like A square is to B square. Again sub duplicate ratio is nothing but A to the power 1 by 2 is to B to the power 1 by 2, nothing but under root A is to under root B, nothing but under root A by B simply. Now triplicate ratio is nothing but A power 3 and the B power 3, and sub triplicate ratio is nothing but A to the power 1 by 3 and B to the power 1 by 3. So inverse ratio is nothing but we need to take reciprocal of this, like 1 by is to 1 by A is to 1 by B. Now suppose if three different ratios are given like A is to B, comma C is to D and D is to E, then compound ratio is nothing but the multiplication of the LHS ratios by multiplication of the RHS ratios, nothing but A into B, like A into C into D by B into D into E, you can check out here. So this is the meaning of compounded ratio. Let us see some other concept questions also. So this is the concept question, you will get repeated sometimes. So direct the concept, the question will be hitted. So just in this video part I am just explaining the all about the concept related questions. In the further video we are going to see the logical questions. So at very first we have first question like find the mean proportion of 2 and 3. So if the question is like this, like mean proportion and the two ratios are given, then it's nothing like, so it is nothing but like 2 is to, here you need to give gap, here you need to give double ratio, after this one gap is to 3. So in this gap you need to fill with one variable for the reference, like let it be x variable. So this is the meaning of the mean ratio, like 2 is to x is double ratio of x is to 3, nothing but 2 by x. This double ratio is nothing but equals to x by 3. When you simplify this, which is nothing but x into x, x square is equals to 2 into 3, which is 6. Now x is equals to under root 6. So this is the meaning of the mean proportion. So in the question you may get asked like find the mean proportion of the such numbers. So again let us move to another type. Now in the another type of question, it is like find the third proportion of 2 and 3. So if the question is given like this, means you need to write like this, like 2 is to 3 double is to double ratio, again 3 is to, you need to take one help of one variable like x. So you need to perform with this, like 2 by 3 which is equals to 3 by x. Now if we simplify this, like 2 into x like 2x, 3 into 3 which is 9, like x is equals to 9 by 2. So this is the option which is under root 6, it is A and it is B. Now let us see the another type of this, like find the fourth proportion of 2, 3 and 4. If the question is given like fourth proportion of these numbers, then you need to write like this, like 2 is to 3 double ratio and 4 is to, you need to take one help of one variable, let it be x. So if you write so like this, like 2 by 3 equals to 4 by 6, then it is like 2x is equals to 12, then x is equals to 6, which is option A. So this is the all about the